Imagine walking into a store that already knows your style, your needs, and your budget. That's the power of Microsoft Copilot Shopping Agent, your personalized shopping assistant, redefined. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will demonstrate how to use a personalized shopping agent, also known as a shopping assistant agent. This is one of the managed agents we have in Copilot Studio. In the series of managed agents tutorials, this is my second tutorial. In my previous video, I explained about Document Processor Agent. If you haven't yet watched it, you may watch that demo as well. The link will be given in the description and pinned comment. In my previous video, I demoed this Document Processor Agent. Today I've taken this topic, Personalized Shopping Experience, also known as Shopping Assistant Agent. So let's get started on how to work with this. As we discussed in my previous video, a managed agent is something that you don't need to create. You just need to install and configure it wherever needed. Everything is pre-packaged. So let's get started with installing the Personalized Shopping Managed Agent. As of now, this agent is in preview mode. Let's click on this Personalized Shopping Managed Agent. Then here you'll see this Install button. Let's click on this. The installation process is started. The installation starts in two phases. First, it quickly verifies the installation account's connection to required connectors. Once verified, it begins creating multiple solution files in your Power Platform environment, a process that may take up to 30 minutes or longer, depending on your environment's capacity. My connection to Microsoft Dataverse is successful. So let's click on this Next button. Then it is asking to configure the environment variables. Enter information for each field so your app works properly. You can edit your environment variables later. For use of sample data selection, select Yes. It indicates if demo data should be used by the agent. Now, let's click on the Next button. Now, my personalized shopping agent is being installed. This takes a couple of minutes. It may take even up to 30 minutes or even sometimes more. It depends on your Power Platform environment resource capacity. I will skip this installation waiting part and show you the final installation. As I told you behind the scenes, a couple of solution files will be installed in your Power Platform environment. Let's see what is happening in my solutions gallery. So let me refresh my solutions gallery. Let's see whether any new solution file got created here. You can see the message, Personalized Shopping Agent is installed. Open and configure your agent to operate autonomously. Let's click on this Open button. So now you can see that data indexing is in progress, and it may take some time to complete. We'll not be able to get the expected response until then. Please wait. And these are the instructions of this agent. This agent helps customers with selecting a product that fits all their needs. The following steps are taken to find recommended products. The customer will provide an initial search prompt to help narrow down the relevant products to recommend. The agent will send the customer's prompt to the recommendation service and will receive back a list of products. The customer may provide a follow-up prompt to further refine the selection of products or search for new, unrelated products. If the customer is refining the current selection of return products, pass the user's refinement and the conversation history related to this product to the recommendation service. If the customer is searching for a new product, pass only the user's new prompt. So this is how this shopping assistant agent works. These instructions have been created automatically. Now let me see in the background how many total solution files have been created. As you can see, a total of 6 solution files are created. These solution files are Personalized Shopping, PSA Demo Component Solution, Personalized Shopping Agent Bot, PSA Application, Industry Agent Service Permissions, PROD, and the Industry Agent's Role Solution. Let me see the data indexing status. Data indexing is still in progress. It may take some more time. Now, let's see how many topics got created with this agent installation. You can see the list of topics here. You can see warning message. This agent is part of a managed solution. You can add new topics, but you can't modify existing topics unless it's allowed by the publisher. Now let's switch to the solutions gallery again. Let's open each solution one by one and see their object details. By the way, here also we can see a warning message. You cannot directly edit the objects within a managed solution. If the managed properties for solution objects are set to allow customization, you can edit them from another unmanaged solution. So we cannot customize it directly from here. That's what this message says. Now, let me open the next solution, the PSA Demo Component solution, and see the number of objects inside it. You can see the various Power Platform objects in this solution. Similarly, let's explore the objects inside the Personalized Shopping Agent Bot solution. Then let's open the PSA Application solution and see the objects inside it. Here we can see the various Power Platform objects inside this solution. Similarly, we can see the details of Industry Agent Service Permissions, the prod solution. The last solution we have here is the Industry Agents Role solution. Let's see the details of it. You can see the various object details of this solution here. We are done with exploring each solution file for the customized shopping agent. Now let's see the status of data indexing. Still, it is in progress. As it is in progress, we may not get the correct result. However, we may start testing it. Let's test this agent. Just passing. Show me the list of products. We see the product details in JSON structure. Then I can see the product details in the shopping cart, which displays all the products. Let me see all the products. Here you can select your product and add it to the cart. It will give you the online shopping cart experience. Let me pass one more prompt. Show me trending products for men. Now it should display all products for men. You can see all products for men with their size and color selection. Now, similarly, I will pass. Show me the trending products for women. It should display all products for women. Let's see what I get. We can see women's shoes, women's sweatshirt, and a lot more products. This is how a customized shopping agent or shopping assistant agent works in Copilot Studio. This is a demo version. In a real-world shopping assistant scenario, you would connect your agent to the actual product database and billing gateway. Think of this as a template example showcasing how a shopping assistant agent can function within the Microsoft Copilot ecosystem. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this demo and learned something new about the shopping assistant agent in Microsoft Copilot Studio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Copilot and Power Platform tutorials. Hit that like button, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.